Sa halagang 3,995 per head, overnight accommodation with 3 meals and 1 snack, use of pool area, mapapawaw ko na talaga dito sa Hidden Gem dito sa Indang, Cavite. 1.5 hour away lang from Manila. Another day, another lakwatsa. Since me and wifey are celebrating our 21st wedding anniversary, we visited again Balay Homestay, yung dating Balay Indang dito sa Indang, Cavite. Mabilis lang hanapin through Google Map para mas accurate. Medyo sablay yung ways directions. I hope maayos nila soon. When you see the number 88 sa wall, busina lang kayo. They have ample secured parking spaces. Favorite ko sa place na to ang home-cooked meals na sinaserve nila. Same pa rin ang quality since the time I started coming. 15 years ago na yun. Dito kami nag-annual planning, team building, church retreat, New Year's Eve countdown at ang dami pang ibang occasion. At kung gusto lang namin mag-relax outside Manila, dito ang go-to place namin. Lapit lang kasi. Pagdating sa food, you don't have to worry kasi sila na bahala sa food and drinks from breakfast to lunch to snacks to dinner. Ito yung mga masasarap na dishes na talagang sumira sa diet ko. Baby back rib, fall off the bone, medyo spicy lang yung barbecue sauce this time unlike before. Pero okay sa akin, I like it hot. Tuna wasabi, tuna chunks with a slight hint of wasabi. Sarap nito. Siyempre yung fresh greens nila na galing pa sa farm. Ang panalo dito yung dressing, nakaka-inlove talaga. Lumpiang tinapa, very flavorful. Samahan mo pa ng Thai sweet chili sauce. Fried bia for breakfast, better than danggit. Sarap with their homemade vinegar. Spicy shrimp, fresh, malalaki, on point ang umami flavor. Medyo salty lang tong inihaw na pork, baka masyado lang nababad. And for desserts, graham balls at buchi, super sarap din. Kung gusto mo pa, pwede ka pang mag-request and they will satisfy you hanggang mabundat ka. Nakakatuwa din tong charcuterie-inspired snacks nila. May hamon, queso de bola, grapes, nuts, and marami pang iba. The best way to a man's heart talaga is through their stomach. Super sulit talaga. Na-enjoy namin ang mahjong bonding time with the kids and of course mag-swimming kahit maginaw. Walking sa garden or chill lang yung mga senior sa may gazebo area. Isa pa sa binabalikan ko dito ang hilot massage ni Ate Dayan. So message mo lang sila for your next family outing or company team building. Till our next Lakwatsa, thank you for watching. Bye!